Hello, my dear students. Once again, here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. And I am back with one more English grammar video of chapter 2, that is articles from your textbook New Enjoying Grammar. The explanation video of articles was posted previously on YouTube. So let's begin with the textbook explanation and the exercises. Now, let us revise the rules of articles from our textbook. Here it is saying, we use the articles a and n before singular countable nouns or noun phrases when no particular object is being talked about. Example, a fruit stall, a vegetable shop, a bright day, an ordinary day. We use the article a before single countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with consonant sounds. Example, a mango, a sunny day. Next, we use the article n before singular countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with vowel sounds. Example, an ordinary day, an examination. Now when we use the definite article the with singular and plural nouns when something is mentioned a second time. Example, the tomatoes, the vegetable shop. We also use the with singular or plural nouns when it is clear to the listener or reader what is being talked about. Example, the stranger, the pickpocket, the shopkeeper, the bag. We also use the when stating facts which are universal truths. Example, the sun rises in the east. The earth revolves round the sun. Now, let us solve exercise 1. Here it is saying, complete these sentences with an or the. The first one, I waited for an hour at the bus stop. Here, though it is starting with a consonant, but the sound of a vowel is coming. R, a. That's why we have used n. Number 2, take an umbrella with you because it may start raining any moment now. We met an American tourist yesterday. Number 4, take an apple and an orange from the fridge. Number 5, I bought an eraser and a pen from the bookshop in the school. Number 6, I have a car and a scooter, but the car needs to be repaired. Here the because we know about which car we are speaking about. Number 7, it's a nice day. We should go for a picnic. Number 8, I talked to the principal of the school. Number 9, could you please put an ice cube in my glass too? Number 10, I have a Canadian and a European friend. Now why a? Though it is starting with a vowel, but the sound of a consonant is coming. European, yeah, why? That's why we have used a. Number 11, there is a black spot on your shirt. You can remove the spot by using a mixture of lime and salt. Number 12, can you please pass the rice, father? Said the boy. Now let us come to exercise number 2. Here it is saying, tick the correct articles to complete this paragraph. James was born in 1960 in a small town in Scotland. His father was a weaver and the family did not have much money. When James was 6 years old, he made up his mind to become a writer. After completing his education, he got a job as a newspaper reporter. Now, this is exercise 3. It is written, complete these sentences with articles. Now, you are going to solve this exercise in your notebook. It is a homework for you. I will send the image through PDF, and the way how you are going to do is this way. You will write down the date, name of the chapter, exercise 3, copy down the question, and then one by one you are going to solve the sentences in your notebook.